What's up guys, it's the coding kid back here. So the first thing you realize is that I have a new mic right here. So this is the Blue Yeti and I'll do like a review on this probably tomorrow. So let's get into the main topic of today's video, which is setting up JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is like make a folder. I already have one, so I'm going to open up the folder. It's my documents. It's called open up that. Alright, so we have our folder here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install something called Node.js. So you're gonna need this to run JS, to run any sort of JavaScript. So I have this version right here. You can download it. I already have it downloaded. So after you're done installing Node, what you can do is you can just open up a new terminal window and type node v. So after you're done installing Node, you're going to install npm. So to install npm, you're going to need brew installed on your system. Yes, that's just, I'm going to just quit the program. So you can install brew from brew.sh. Yeah, you just have to run this command right there. So what you would do is just do brew install npm. So but since I already have it installed, I'm just gonna quit the program. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you install npm. So if you after you install npm, you do npm v, it should print out the version of npm. So those are two things that you need. So now I'm gonna make a simple React project for you guys. React is a JavaScript library. Alright, so I just went and renamed my folder called to JS tutorial VSCode no caps. So now if we do the same thing again here with npx, we do npx create react app. Okay, we'll just app dot to make it in this directory. So it's creating it. Alright, so I'll be right back as well. There are a bunch of errors that we shall fix. Alright, so I found the problem that I had. So the problem was that I accidentally installed something that I didn't need to. So you probably won't have this problem if you're just starting out. You can go into a source file and edit. Let's see. You can edit app. We can open up edit app.js and index.js. So here, this is how your JavaScript files will look like. So what we want to do to just, let's say we want to run this React project. So what we can do is do npm start, and it should open up a web server. Yeah, it's taking some time. Yeah, it says starting the development server. Yeah, see, this is what the development server looks like. So yeah, let's say we don't want this. Let's just stop the program and just close that. Now let's say we want to make a file called test.js. All I want to do console.log hello world. Alright, so we did that. Now let's say you want to run this, you just want to run this program. So since there's nothing to display on the web, what you can do is you can do we install this in the beginning. It was node. So what we can do is node and test.js. It should have worked. Oh yeah, we need to move into that directory. node, there you go, test.js, and it should print hello world because we console log hello world. So that's how you run JavaScript programs like this in Node. And Node is probably the best way to run JavaScript programs that are not like website related. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and have a great day.